I grew up in a little town, a southern mix of lost and found, where most folks seem to stick around. Oh, but I could hear the highway song. I'd sit out on the dock till dawn and dream about the great beyond. A dream that I was a world traveler, set me loose to find my way. Just get me out on the road someday with my sails unfurled. So many mysteries I wanted to unravel, if I could travel the world. Soon enough I had my way. I saw the world the Lord has made, mostly from the interstate. Oh, but I had hardly seen a thing until I gave that golden ring to the one who gave her heart to me. And I became a world traveler. That's the day I hit the road. I walked the hills of the human soul of a tender girl. I'm a world traveler. She opened the gate and took my hand, led me into the mystic land where her galaxies swirl. So many mysteries I never will unravel. I wanna travel the world. Take a left at the end of my street, just a few doors down, up the hill and into the trees. There's a hole in the ground where we travel the caverns so deep, wandered the wonder so wide. It was right beneath our feet. All this time, all this time. Well, tonight I saw the children in their rooms, little flowers all in bloom, burning suns and silver moon. And somehow in those starry skies, the image of the Maker lies right here beneath my roof tonight. So hold on tight, I'm a world traveler. Yeah. Oh, I'm a world traveler. Pack your bags and dig down deep, ride the storms and sail the seas to the distant pole. I'm a world traveler into these uncharted lands, to blaze a trail in the vast expanse of the heart and soul. In the grace of the God of peace, let's wade into the battle. So come on with me and get up in that saddle. There's a million mysteries I'm ready to unravel. Come on, let's travel the world. So come on with me. I wanna travel the world.
Right into this world all alone. God takes your soul, you're on your own. The crow flies straight, a perfect line, on the devil's bed until you die. This life is short, baby, that's a fact.
This is your traveling song, and I hope it sees you well through train rides and hotels. This is your traveling song, and on the window of the train, with your finger write my name. Well, I could sell my watch and buy a ticket, but my dear, I feel I wouldn't be. So this is your traveling song, my love. I hope you find everything you need. This is your traveling song, so here's one for the road, the highway and the coast. This is your traveling song, and I won't ask you to stay, 'cause life don't work that way. Well, I can try and fit inside your suitcase, but my feet would stick out at the end. So this is your traveling song, my love. Come find me when you're traveling ends. Oh, this is your traveling song, my love.